Assalamu alaikum friends. So in this tutorial we will see that how trace tool is very helpful for digitizing the things and creating features. Like over here I want to create a polygon and want to complete this Pakistan boundary, but I have a line shape file as a reference. Okay, so for this let's turn on the editing tool on this polygon feature and make sure to select it from over here and use this trace tool from these option. Use this trace tool. Okay, and now start it from over here and now drag your mouse along this line just like this. It will automatically digitize and create vertex on this line just like this. So it's quite fast and good. And if you have a break just like here, then start again from above and then drag your mouse along the line slowly. Okay, now over here I have a break point. So for this, what you need to do, just complete it from over here and then make one click. Okay, make one click right over here and another click over here. Then digitization will start again and run your mouse, trace your mouse along this line. It will automatically complete this polygon. Okay, trace this all the way and come back again right over there where you have start that point and make double click on that vertex just like this. So now here you can see that the exact perfect polygon, a quick polygon right above that line in my polygon chip file. So this tool is very helpful for digitizing features if you have any vector data as a reference data. So here this 22 FID has been created and I fill this with value of Gilgit and Baltistan and save your edits. So here this is the digitized feature that we have traced with the help of a line, and you can fill all attribute details. Similarly for this zone you can repeat the same procedure. So many thanks, take care, Allah Hafiz.